Alright, so today we're going to be reviewing the Redragon M711 Cobra gaming mouse that I actually found on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to check it out. So it really caught my eye because I only paid about $17 for this mouse. I believe there's a coupon on Amazon as well that I was able to get it cheaper for like $15, which is absolutely nuts because I believe this mouse is actually better than the Razer mouse that I've had in the past. I'm going to actually use this as my daily mouse now, and it's kind of crazy because I only paid $17 for it. As you can see, the RGB lighting is just absolutely gorgeous. You can actually customize it yourself, and there's a lot of different settings you can do with the software that's included with this specific mouse. You actually have to download it from Redragon's website in order to use it. And this item has like a nice matte finish on it. It's very, very soft. There's like a textured siding as well on the side here. It also came in this cool little box here. I wasn't expecting this when I opened it up from Amazon. It's very hard plastic. It's pretty interesting. I've never seen something like this before in a packaging for a mouse. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got the Cobra branding on there, which is pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this up real quick. It's going to be a full unboxing here. I'll show you everything that's in the box. So yeah, just let's go ahead and unclip it. Alright, so it's protected by this plastic here. It's got the braided cord on the left here. It's pretty stiff. The cord itself is pretty stiff. So it's not my favorite. Some people may like the stiff, but you can actually, when you're moving the mouse around, you can kind of feel the cord, which some people don't like. Me personally, I don't like it, but I can deal with it for only paying $17 for this specific mouse. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna open it up here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a look. It has a very nice matte finish here. It's got buttons on the side. It also has a mode switch from the back here, which you can go ahead and actually switch from mode 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can have different modes. You can have preset with the software. It also has a raised logo down there. It's not just printed on there, it's a raised logo, which is pretty cool. You got 3 buttons on the top here. Also the scroll wheel clicks in. It's very nice when you're rolling. It has some feedback to it. It just doesn't roll infinitely, which is a nice little feature there as well. The tracking on the bottom too doesn't feel like it gets snagged on anything or anything like that, which is pretty awesome. You can actually hear the clicks here. It has some good feedback to it as well. It's not a very silent click, but you could tell you're clicking when you go ahead and you click that there. Same thing with the scroll wheel, like I said, it does the same thing. But this is what came with the packaging here. You got this nice Redragon logo in here. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, it looks like it's just for thank you for your recent purchase. We appreciate your business. Like us on Amazon, please review. And then the other thing is here is the manual for the gaming mouse. It's all in different languages. Has the lighting instructions, software instructions, stuff like that, which is pretty cool that they included that. So let's go ahead and let's go get it plugged into the computer here. Yeah, it's an interesting design on the end here for the USB port. When you plug it in, it's got that kind of like dragonish styling on it, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in here, and we're gonna show you what it looks like as soon as you plug it in. I believe the default for the lighting is just kind of like a chroma, and it flips through the different colors. With that 16.8 million RGB color backlit lightings, which is pretty cool. Also, this mouse is 10,000 DPI, which is awesome for a pro gaming mouse. It's pretty decent for the amount that you're paying, which is pretty awesome. So, yeah. Yeah, just look at those lights. It's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to show you a little bit on my computer here, how responsive it is when me clicking through things and stuff like that. What I notice is that there's a little bit of drag to it, but not that much. I mean, like I said, it's actually a lot better than my Razer mouse that I paid pretty much like $75 for. And I'm really impressed with what Redragon did here for this specific mouse. And this one was only $17. There's other ones that are pretty comparable to this one, but I saw this one and my recommended for Amazon, so I was just like, why not just take a peek at it? But yeah, if you're in the market for a cheap budget gaming mouse that has a really great quality, I recommend totally picking this one up because I was even surprised by it. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I release new videos every weekend and every Monday and Thursday. So I'll be reviewing things like mouses, keyboards, any tech related things. I really review some apps sometimes, which is pretty cool. I've got some wireless chargers coming in for other devices as well. So yeah, please hit subscribe and do a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.